Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied properly, then what can happen is simply a lot of mistouches can happen, or ghost touches. So ghost touches will click whenever something is on this side, for example, this side. It can even happen in the middle, so it will randomly click like this. And what you guys want to do in this case, simply remove the screen protector, and for the case protection, what you guys want to do is, if it's covering the bezel, so this part, let's say the dark line between the screen and the side of the phone, if it's going over it, then simply remove the case, because it's badly made out of a bad dummy phone or just not exactly fitting your device. So this can also cause the ghost touches. Remove the case if that's happening. Now what you guys want to do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture, and I got a microfiber cloth with me, so as a bonus we're gonna get rid of the fingerprints. So we got it right here. Now let's simply swipe it all over the screen, and the screen should look good. So now it is looking good, and what are we gonna do next is we're gonna simply, as a last resort, update our software. So there's not much we can do about ghost touches. Maybe it's just a software issue, and we can go to the settings, about phone, and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And I got no updates available, but if you do have an update available, make sure to do that. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.